Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Connor and I make random videos about just stuff that goes on in my life. And today I thought I'd do a vlog. I'm in the bathroom right now of a log cabin that I'm staying in for the 4th of July weekend. By the way, happy 4th of July. And I thought I'd do a vlog, see how that goes, see if it does well for my channel. Just have fun. See ya. So we just got finished eating dinner. We've been in our log cabin for like a couple of hours, and now we're gonna go see if we can find any wild moose out around the forest. So
you gotta throw them out farther to start. That's too close.
oh, it's horrible.
Watch out.
Let's see it. Oh, you only got 2 there. You got 7. What happened to your 7?
Well, you know, it's a different rock.
It was a different one. Oh, I got 3, but it turned. It was all in the wind. Oh.
Yep, that's a good one.
Let's see it.
Okay, it takes a lot of breath.
Ooh, ready? That was a perfect rock. Why'd I waste it? Oh.
Good thing you're not driving.
Which Connecticut river is this? Third one?
Third Connecticut Lake.
Third Connecticut Lake.
Yeah, once we pulled in here.
Best rock skipping lake ever. Oh, yeah, that was a good one.
5.
You gotta put your whole body into it. There we go. Yeah, that's it. That's the strategy. What a lake. And the sunset too.
Ready?
Let's see it. Oh, it skipped. I didn't think it.
Distance between the first and the second. Here we go. Oh, Grammy's going for it.
Okay.
You got 2.
Oh!
You gotta watch where you're walking, Grammy.
Oh yeah. That was a far-fetched one. Let's see. Oh!
3.
Is it 3?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna break double digits. This rock right here.
Mommy's gonna try it.
Oh, you see how far that one went?
Alright.
It skipped right there and then went way out. Went super far.
Delete the plus.
Ah,
That's the one?
that's the
The
one.
one.
It looked like it.
normal skipping rock, Daddy?
Oh,
Oh my gosh,
Right here.
Connor, look. Connor, look.
oh my gosh, what'd you get? Oh, flowers.
That's beautiful.
Oh, that was sinker. That was not the rock.
That one's flat.
I need like a circle. They're all like rectangular.
Which hand do I do it with?
You're strong.
What type of rock is an actual rectangle?
Which one is my right again?
You know what your right hand is.
I hate this part. Why aren't they just oh. Look at that, Ramsey. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
It's too small, I think.
I was born ready.
Oh, the wind took that one.
Oh,
Ooh, look at that little finger grip right there.
All right, I'm done. It's cold down
Hit
here.
the rock right there. Oh. The lakes go a little bit closer to the water.
Okay, you ready?
And that's what happened.
Don't forget your camera and your phone.
Final one. Oh, Oh, I just want one skiff.
Just one
It
more.
was a dud.
I want one skiff.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, there we go. Connecticut Third Lake. A farewell.
See ya.
Adieu.
It's a buck.
We can't see it.
Yep, it's a buck. Oh, up by his ears.
Oh. Look at him running around.
See it.
Look at how fast he is. Haha. No moose, but we got a deer. What's that, 3 deer? Just strolling.
Fanny, did you see it?
Didn't get it.
Right there.
Didn't see mine too much.
So we just got back from looking for moose. We found 3 deer and a cool lake, but no moose. That's okay. It's like 9 o'clock right now, and we just had a 3-hour car ride up to Portsmouth. So we're gonna play some board games, go to sleep. I'll see you on the 4th of July. Hey guys, happy 4th of July. The whole family just woke up around like 45 minutes ago to the sound of sizzling bacon, which sounded really tasty. We all had breakfast, and now we're gonna head to a hiking trail, and I'll see you when we get to our destination. We just got out of the car, and now we're hiking up a mountain to go see a rock. All this for a table rock. It's steep. Why is it so steep? See at the top. Are we like even a quarter of the way up? We already got like man-made stairs.
Probably a little slippery.
Well, that's something. More stairs. Of course.
You and Connor stand up there in the sunlight.
Still got a long way to go. Well, we found the rock. Just on the wrong side of it. Kind of hard to see from over the trees. Now I gotta find the other side. No idea where that is. Ooh. Jeez. Hurry up.
I got it.
Wasn't that a hike and a half?
Look at that view, Franny.
Cuts right off. Oh my. Jeez. That's down a long ways.
For us, it's like hiking. We like to hike. We like to do this. Well, if the cops come, just walk out to the middle.
No kidding.
We worry about the cutting them, bro.
Oh, God.
Our stuff's expensive.
Yeah.
Zip
No,
line.
actually, they went out there.
Jeez.
Yep. We were there.
Good view.
Huge feet.
Both
So I
sides,
think
really.
a good pair of boots for his left. Could
I don't think I'll do that.
Yeah, I'll
I'll
pass.
pass.
Definitely.
Yeah.
No.
I'm going anywhere near that one.
No.
I go.
Although it's no different than the zip line that we did, really.
Besides the additional like 500 feet.
No, we were 600 feet in the air.
I know. But these are.
Yeah, I know. Crazy, isn't it?
I'll do it from 5 feet, not 500.
Yeah.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Well, I don't know those people.
Polar Caves, but it's
Every time I do that, I think
not an attraction. It's just kind of there.
Hooked up to the,
He had a belt
the
on.
gear.
somehow. Yeah.
It's all reviewing too.
I bet that fills right up solid with
I bet you does, yep.
snow and ice.
Crazy adventures. Ice cave, giant cliff and zip line, random view. We came from that way, so we're gonna head back up that way. I'll see you when we get back down to the bottom. We made it. We're back. Lunch. We had some hamburgers and hot dogs for lunch with some chips, and then we spent like an hour, maybe two, just kind of resting, taking naps, playing board games, and now we're gonna go fishing. If I catch anything, the pictures will be showing up now. I'm gonna say, yeah, good job, Connor. Hopefully I caught something and the picture will be right there. If not, that's sad. Because either I don't know how to edit or I didn't catch anything. So, see you in a little bit. Just got back from fishing. I didn't catch anything. I didn't even have a bite. All I did was snag my line. But my dad caught 2 fish and he got some pictures. So, might put that in the video. But besides that, no fish, which is okay. We might be having a fire tonight with some s'mores, so if we do that, see you then. We just got the campfire set up. We're gonna do s'mores soon, and then after that I might do a checkup, say goodnight, and happy 4th of July. Might look at some fireworks. Fire!
Here you go. Wave them around. Watch out for the fire. Watch out for each other.
Franny, stop following me. Ow, it's hot.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at the moon.
It's like,
Look at that, Connor.
it's like red, but I can't get
I
it
know.
to pick up on my camera.
But so it's got to be on.
There we go.
That's on.
It's like a red
not
moon.
Auto. There he is.
Fireworks. Right next to the moon, too.
We have some chocolate.
Yeah, I had milk and dark. I don't think they have any more dark left. But...
Joan, you're most welcome to
We
have a
have
seat
some-
too if you'd like.
Oh, thanks.
And you can leave those, the stuff in my seat. It's okay.
Oh, okay, thanks.
I don't
Sorry about
mind.
that. I'll get 2 things. I love the way the stores actually have displays with
Already
the
getting
chocolate and the
crispy
marshmallow
brown.
and everything all in one spot.
Yep.
So right here. Just kind of leave it over for the next one.
Oh, am I cooking yours?
Yeah.
This is the 3rd show of fireworks tonight. Jeez. Happy 4th, I guess. Last night I forgot to say I was gonna go to bed because it was just super late. But getting packed up and we're gonna leave now. See you guys when I get back to my own house. Happy 4th of July. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. I just got home from the 3-hour car ride from Lake Francis and the cabin, which was an amazing weekend. Happy 4th of July. I'm probably gonna go to bed soon because it's pitch black outside already. And I can't even speak without yawning. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed my first ever vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.